Hey, what's going on? It's James here. So today I'm making a video regarding the problems that we had regarding the car seats in our new car, which is the Tesla Model X P90D, right? This car is freaking insane and amazing, but I'm not going over that today. Like I said, I'm going over the problems that we have with the car seat. So to give you guys some backstory, we actually used to own a GMC Denali before our Tesla Model X. So if you guys know what a GMC Denali is, it's literally like a bus, right? So we have 3 toddlers and they're currently all in car seats right now. One of our toddlers is sitting rear facing, right? So a few problems that we had with these maxi cozies where they're really big and bulky. The problem is it's really difficult to move those second row seats forward when our other kids wants to get in the back, right? Because the seats all move together and the car seat's so wide and bulky, the right seat or the left seat gets caught on the actual car seat. And the great thing is, what I'm going to show you guys, my wife did some research and she found some really nice car seats, and I'm going to show you guys the difference between the two. The ones I'm going to show you guys are 17-inch wide car seats, and even if you have just a sedan, 4-door sedan, you can actually put 3 of these car seats side by side, right? Like 3 car seats all in the back, right? There's just no way you're going to be able to fit these maxi cozies, all 3 of them side by side together on a regular sedan, right? So I'm going to go ahead and jump back there and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm here in the back seat. So to give you guys just a quick disclaimer, I actually just buckled this up really quickly so it's not positioned exactly how it's supposed to be. These are the old car seats and I just wanted to buckle this in really quickly for demonstrational purposes only, right? I just don't want to get in trouble. I don't want you guys messaging me like, hey James, you know what? Those things aren't buckled correctly. I know. So this is the actual maxi cozy. As you can see, my kids tore this thing apart. So the problem that we had was, if you take a look at here, this is the right side passenger, and you can just see right here it's actually rubbing up against the car seat, right? So because it's so bulky, when you move the seat up, it has a hard time, right? It gets caught right here, right? So that's one of the problems when you have these big maxi cozies in the car. As you can see, this particular maxi cozy car seat, it's pressed up against the passenger seat, right? It's overlapping. It's actually overlapping on both sides. I'm over here on the other side now. As you can see, here's the gap right here, and here's the seat right here, right? It's like cutting right in between the cup holder. The new car seats that we have, I'll show you guys the details of that particular car seat. It's only 17 inches wide, right? So the platform and the base is a lot smaller. As you can see here in the back as well, we have 2 different kinds. We have another maxi cozy over there, and for my older son, he's 5 years old, he's using this Graco, and you can see it's just really tight back there, right? They don't have any room back there to really move because of these car seats are really bulky. And what I'll do as well is I'll post a link somewhere around this video in the description of the new car seats that we bought, so hopefully you guys can you know, it relieves some of the research for you guys, because we've already done it for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and swap out these old car seats with the new car seats that we bought, and I'll give you guys all the details of the new car seat here in a minute as well. But basically those are some of the problems that we're having with this particular car seat with the Tesla Model X. So let me go ahead and swap out these car seats and I'll show you guys the difference here. All right, these are the actual car seats that my wife purchased. These are the Diono Radian 3RXT. I actually have 3 of them. One of them is actually outside the box already, but these are the 2 boxes that we haven't unboxed yet, and these are the ones that I'm actually going to put in the car. So this is a Diono Radian 3RXT, and like I said, I'll post a link in the description box so you guys can purchase this if this is something you guys want to get for your car. This is the Tesla Model X P90D. Let me go ahead and take these out of the box and put them in the car for you and show you guys exactly how it fits in the car. All right, I finally got all of the old car seats out to have the new Diono car seats in. These things look and fit amazing. I want to thank my wife for doing an awesome job in researching these amazing Diono car seats. Let me go ahead and jump back there and show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. All right, I'm back here now. These are the new Diono car seats. These things look amazing in here. They're super cool. Now they're matching back there, but take a look at this. The problem that we had before was right here. It was actually rubbing against the car seat because it was too wide. These Dionos are 17 inches wide, and as you can see, once I move these seats up, it can actually move freely without hitting the other car seat, right? So you can see there, it's still intact, and it's not rubbing on the actual car seat, not like the other car seat that we had. The Maxi Cozies is definitely rubbed right here, right? Didn't have any room there, it rubbed right onto the actual car seat. And take a look at the back. There's also room back there now for my two boys. And before, there was no room in between them. It was all smashed together, and now they have some room back there. And the great thing is it's easier for them to get in and out of the car. And like I said earlier, if you have a Model S, you can actually have 3 of these car seats all at the back seat with no problem, right? With the Axo Maxi Cozies, there'll be no way I can get 3 Maxi Cozies in the back of a sedan, right? So if I had a Model S or any sedan for that matter, you can actually get 3 of these in the back of the sedan. And again, it fixed our problem. Seats going back, it's not rubbing. It actually clears the space in between the 2 passenger seats, as you can see here as well. It's right here, and before it was rubbing right on the cup holder. So what I'll do is I'll post a link so you guys can go ahead and purchase these Dionos, and I'll post all the details of this car seats in the description. It fits amazing in our Model X. This is the Tesla Model X P90D, and hopefully this fixes a lot of you guys' issues, because this definitely helped us a lot. I want to give shouts out to my wife for finding this amazing Diono car seats, and what I'll do is I'll post a link to these car seats in the description. And happy shopping. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.